What up, boys? I'm back with another trading session. Today I will take some trades with candlestick psychology. Without further ado, let's get it started. So we had previously a major uptrend, and for now it's pretty much shadows everywhere, so you gotta be careful when trading in these kind of markets because it just doesn't make sense sometimes. I'm just gonna change this. Okay, we had a nice red-green pattern here, and previously we had a trend. Okay, this is basically a downtrend and a red-green pattern, so I want to go with sellers here. Basically, market came down, something like this. Okay, it's trying to make a W and go up. No problem. But they might reject this and close somewhere here. It's weird. Okay, I will go with the buyers for the next candle because I see hell amounts of buyers pressure on this candle. I mean, there's thousands of buyers sitting on this candle, and I wasn't expecting sellers to respect this red-green pattern, but they did, and they create us a engulfing. Okay, let's say we had an engulfing, and this candle was a retracement here. And then we have again buyer's entry, and it's gonna go up like the previous time. It's making a base and then breaks and goes up. This is the market structure in this market, in this pair, I mean. Okay, this is gonna go up, and it's been making green red, green red, green red red, green red, green red. Okay, we see again the rejection, but didn't break the previous candle, so the sellers might enter here. Let's see. Okay, no problem. The next level here is this. Okay, if you look here, there's tons of red-green patterns, so it's really, hard to decide to go with buyers here because there might be a weak or even red candle. That's why I didn't take this trade. And this candle is pretty strong in buyers side. This whole candle's volume is buyers. Okay. Buyers are in the market like crazy. I go with buyers right on this resistance because I know it's gonna break. Okay, because this candle right here is a key candle. Okay, call it key candle because tons of volume is sitting on this candle, and it's not a bearish candle, and it's a bullish candle. Actually, you might see this as a red candle and say that, oh, this is a bearish candle, but not. It's not a bearish candle. It has tons of volume in buyer's advantage, so I call it a bullish candle. But let's see. We are about to start a crazy momentum to the upside. And if you look past, sometimes these kind of trend lines also work. Okay, I've seen these kind of trend lines that we actually draw from the past, just like this, work like crazy sometimes. Okay, it worked in react. Okay, I might have to change the air. Okay, we have pretty much a double top here, and the sellers engulf the buyers, and we have a lower low. So if we get a weak buyers, and if okay, it's not weak buyers. Let's see. They're not weak. Okay, I go with sellers, no problem. But the buyers are not weak. Let's see if we have a level here. We have this level. But I know the buyers are pretty strong at this point. And I see the candles move sometimes, and I realize that there's a high volume of certain buyers or sellers. Okay. Okay, that was another win. Okay guys, I think that's enough for today, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the live trades. If you did, drop a like for me and hit the subscribe button. And if you have any question, you can ask it in comments, and I will immediately answer immediately. And yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out.